Hi, this is Andrina, and I'm the author of the book Embody, The Power of Presence in an Age of Distraction. And welcome to day 18 of my live Advent calendar. Now, the next 3 videos, I'm going to be showing you ways that you can do a conscious detox on a daily basis. And the first one is going to be talking with the eyes. Now, we all use our eyes, right? We need to use them in everything that we do. But because of the pollution and also over the strain that we have because we're always looking at computers, our eyes get tired, they get red, they get itchy. The pollution is always attacking them. And so what do we do? And also for women, we're wearing makeup all the time, which means we have to take the makeup off. But I'm going to be giving you something that you can do on a daily basis, is what I do, to be able to clean the eye, and not only to help it to remove, the bacterial gunk that gets into it, but also it makes you feel fresher, and I could swear that also makes me see clearer every time I do that. And it's called an eye wash. Now I'll show you what I do, which is rather interesting. This is my daily eye wash, and how I create it, as you can see, I put it into I love honey, by the way, so I put it into a honey jar, and I make this about once every month or so. And what I do is, this is, it's called a white mineral earth. Now, you can take a clay, basically, it's a white clay that you can buy online. And what I do is I take this clay, I take about a teaspoon of it, and I boil it in water for about 15 minutes. And then I put it into this jar, and it takes about a day for the clay. Actually, you can probably see here, you see the clay is on the bottom, but what happens is the clay just drops down and it leaves the water clear. And then with a little eye cup, now these are great, by the way, because I used to use a hard eye cup, but you can see these are now made that they're flexible. It's much, much better. I take it, and I'm not going to do it because I'm actually wearing makeup, but what you want to do is you pour the water into the cup, and then you put it under an eye, and I leave it for about 30 seconds, and I blink like this. And then I let the water just drain out. I put it on my other eye, and then I let the water drain out. And you won't believe the difference. I mean, it's different from just splashing your face with water. You can feel that it removes some of the harmful substances and chemicals that we have in our eyes, that just because of the pollution they get there. And I noticed that my eyes are less red, they're less itchy when I use this. I'm in a garden, so therefore in the garden outside the castle in the spring it gets terrible. And I seem to have less red eye than everyone else. So that's something that I do on a daily basis to help myself see better. So take care, I hope that was helpful, and we'll see you tomorrow.